Hey everyone, welcome back to brand new episode. Today we're ditching the hotels and budget campsites and embarking on a journey into the world of opulence on wheels. That's right, we're diving deep into the 10 most luxurious RVs that will leave you speechless. Get ready for high-end features, mind-blowing technology, and enough comfort to make you question why you ever settled for a house. So, buckle up and let's explore the peak of RV luxury. Number 10. Prost H3-45 VIP. Let's kick things off with a touch of class. The Prost H3-45 VIP is a sleek and modern masterpiece. Imagine a spacious living area, a fully equipped kitchen with top-of-the-line appliances, and a luxurious bedroom, all on wheels. This RV boasts a deluxe entertainment system to keep you entertained on the go, making every journey feel first class. Number 9. Foretravel IH45. Luxury is all about personalization, and the Foretravel IH45 takes that concept to a whole new level. This beauty offers extensive custom design options, allowing you to create your dream RV interior. Imagine a state-of-the-art entertainment system, a full-size bathroom for ultimate convenience, and all the comforts of home designed exactly to your taste. Number 8. American Eagle Heritage. This RV is a true testament to American craftsmanship. The American Eagle Heritage features handcrafted wood cabinetry throughout, creating a warm and inviting atmosphere. Imagine a king-size bed for a restful night's sleep, a spacious living area for entertaining, and all the amenities you need to feel right at home on the open road. Number 7. Newell Coach P50. Newell is a name synonymous with luxury in the RV world, and the P50 doesn't disappoint. Step inside and be greeted by sophisticated interior design featuring marble floors and plush leather seating. State-of-the-art appliances and top-of-the-line technology make this RV a rolling palace on wheels. Number 6. Marchi Mobile eleMMent Palazzo. The Italians know a thing or two about luxury, and the Marchi Mobile eleMMent Palazzo is a prime example. This million-dollar RV boasts a master bedroom with a pop-up roof for stargazing, a fireplace for cozy nights in, and the piece de resistance, a rooftop terrace. Imagine enjoying breathtaking views and fresh air without ever leaving your RV. Number 5. Furrion Elysium. If you're looking for the peak of RV technology, look no further than the Furrion Elysium. This high-tech marvel features a retractable helipad for the ultimate arrival scene, a rooftop hot tub for relaxation under the stars, and a complete smart home system for ultimate control over your environment. It's basically a luxury mansion shrunk down to RV size. Number 4. Vantare Platinum Plus. Imagine a luxurious apartment on wheels, and that's exactly what the Vantare Platinum Plus delivers. This RV features a stunning marble bathroom, a full-size kitchen that would make any chef envious, and a private cinema for movie nights under the stars. It's entertainment, relaxation, and gourmet dining all rolled into one incredible vehicle. Number 3. eleMMent Viva. Inspired by the elegance of yachts, the eleMMent Viva is a sight to behold. This RV boasts a king-size bed for a luxurious sleep, a fully equipped kitchen for preparing gourmet meals, and a spacious living area perfect for unwinding after a day of exploring. It's the perfect blend of functionality and high-end design. Number 2. SAIC Maxus Life Home V90 Villa Edition. Bonus: China market. This one's a bit of a bonus. While not available everywhere, the SAIC Maxus Life Home V90 Villa Edition deserves a mention for its sheer extravagance. This China-made RV features a second story with a tea room, an outdoor deck, and even an elevator for added convenience. Talk about rolling in style. Number 1. CMC Aluna Motorhome. The CMC Aluna is a luxury motorhome made by CMC Caravan, an Italian company known for their high-end RVs. Unfortunately, since these are custom-built vehicles, detailed information is scarce online. There is, however, a video you can find by searching for CMC Aluna Motorhome. Elegance made in Italy, which might give you a glimpse into the Aluna's features. So there you have it. These are just a few of the most expensive motorhomes that redefine the way we travel in the lap of luxury. Which one would you choose for your ultimate road trip adventure? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more epic travel content.